This video is an introduction to the Cornerstone Analysis and Design software. Opening it up, we'll have the option for analysis, where we can create a wall cross-section, or layout, where we can fully design a retaining wall. Moving forward, we'll accept the disclaimer, and it'll open up to the Project Information tab, where we can input any project info like project name, designer name, and location. If at any point you need help with the software, you can click the Getting Started link, and it'll open up a help file. Here you can read through any definitions, read through the design theory to see how the software works, and go over any of the user inputs. Coming back, you'll see all the different tabs on the left. The main tabs, all the different inputs, the calculations, and configurations. For the block tab, you can input any block for any Cornerstone or MagnumStone product, read through the block properties, geogrid properties, and edit the factors of safety. We'll go over the inputs and calculations in the following videos. For preferences, you can change any preferences, and if you want to change the units from Imperial to metric, you simply click this button here. In the following videos, I will show you how to create a cross-section for a geogrid reinforced retaining wall, cross-section for a gravity retaining wall. You can import a plan with retaining walls or manually input retaining wall information. Go through all the quantities of the retaining wall blocks. Go over the global stability for a retaining wall. You can export reports that go over all the calculations. And you can also get the elevation wall plans for your retaining walls.